This is part 2 of our using Mendeley discussion. So the next thing you're going to want to do once you have your folders set up and get familiar with the software is to download items to the Mendeley desktop. So in order to do that, you need to bring up a web page or journal article list or specific article to download. I'm going to download items to the test folder I created in the first part of this series. So here's a simple EBSCO search I did, and now I'm going to want to download some of these articles that I see on the page. I can download an individual article, or I can pick from a list of articles. You'll see up here on the browser I'm using that I have a Mendeley icon, and this is the Mendeley Importer icon. You can get the Mendeley Importer on the Mendeley.com website, or you can go to the desktop version of the software under Tools and install the web importer from there. So if I click on Import to Mendeley, you'll notice that all of the articles that are on this page are appearing in this window here on the right. So now I can look at these titles and click the ones I'm interested in. I want to make sure my test folder is highlighted in this field, and I can click off any unwanted folders. And then it's showing me I am saving 3 articles. Once they're all saved, you'll see a little check mark next to them. Now, if I just want to save one article, I can simply click on the article, which will bring me to the article page, click the importer again, and then I'll see the record just for this specific article with any metadata or information that's collected about it to save to the Mendeley desktop database. I can click Save there. If I'm interested in saving information about a book from the Regis Library catalog, I can search for a book in the catalog, find its record as I'm showing here, click the Mendeley Importer icon, and all of the book information shows up to be saved to my test folder. So click Save again. So it's very easy once you're on the page to simply open the web importer and select the items you want to save. A lot of times if there's a PDF associated with the item, that will be downloaded as well if you have the checkbox clicked here. And you will see that websites are easy to save as well to the Mendeley desktop. So once you're on a website and interested in saving the citation information, click the importer and you'll see that Mendeley recognizes what type of document this is, as in web page, and details. You may also add to these details if necessary, and this will also be saved to the Mendeley desktop. One of the popular reasons for using a reference management tool like Mendeley is to create group folders that you can use to share information among colleagues. So if you see here, you can create a new group 2 ways. You can go to the Edit menu and click New Group, or you can go to your navigation sidebar and click Create Group there. You'll then be prompted to choose the type of group that it is. Is this a public group or a private group, or you want only invited people to see the group? So let's try creating a private group. You need to name your group. This will then direct you to the Mendeley website, which is how you look at your group documents. So this is my group folder on Mendeley, and you can see here I have the Kim test group, and then I can click Invite Members and enter the email addresses of my colleagues that I want to share information with. Then I can work in the web version or go back to the desktop version and add files to my Kim test group folder whenever I find a document, just as you would for your private group folders or your private folders. Let's go on to part 3 of this Mendeley Basics series to see how to use Word and Mendeley to cite while you write.